A wife is seriously injured by her husband's torture. The name of the injured housewife is Polirani Banik. This inhuman incident occurred at Baranarian village under Jatrapur police station on Monday. A housewife injured again with the torture of husband. A housewife named Polirani Banik was seriously injured by her husband. This incident happened in Baranarian village under Jatrapur police station. The housewife's father immediately brought her to Jatrapur police station in a bloody state after receiving the news of the incident today. On the advice of the police, he was rushed to Kathalia Social Health Center. After first aid, the housewife was referred to Agla JB Hospital. It is understood that her injuries were so severe that it would have been difficult to save the woman without advanced treatment. The housewife has also a 2-year-old child. Speaking with the media, father of the housewife said that with the simple reason, husband Anjan Das used to beat his wife, Poli Banik.
অঞ্জন দাস আপনার মেয়ে আমার মেয়ে বিয়ে দিছি ছেলে সন্তান কত এটা একটা ছেলে শুধু কি মারে অনর্থক এমনি যাইয়া লাথি মারব বা ফিডিব কিছু আনে না চাল আনলে ডাল আনে না ডাল আনলে মরিচ আনে না এদিকে আনতে গেলে ফিডাফিডি শুধু মারা আপনার কি নাম আমার নাম খগেন চন্দ্র বণিক
On the other hand, the police of Jatrapur police station immediately rushed to arrest the husband, Anjan Das. Bureau report, Chini Khorang.